If you're an iPhone user, get ready for some exciting news. Apple's latest update, iOS 18.3.1, is just around the corner, and it's packed with essential bug fixes and security improvements. Let's dive into what you can expect from this update. First up, security. Apple's iOS 18.3.1 aims to bring crucial security patches to your iPhone. Following the 29 security fixes in iOS 18.3, this new update continues the effort to protect your device from potential threats. One significant fix in iOS 18.3 addressed an exploited issue in core media, which could give malicious apps elevated privileges. So, keeping your device updated is a must to stay secure. Now, let's talk about those pesky bugs. While iOS 18.3 was relatively stable, some users reported minor issues that iOS 18.3.1 aims to squash. These include connectivity problems with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, glitches in the camera app, and freezing issues with the Apple Mail app. There's also been reports of problems switching between light and dark mode, increased battery drain, and occasional app crashes. If you've experienced any of these, iOS 18.3.1 should have you covered. One particular issue worth mentioning is the Apple Intelligence notification summaries. These summaries were temporarily disabled in iOS 18.3 due to inaccuracies. While it's unclear if they will be reactivated in iOS 18.3.1, Apple is definitely working on a fix. But wait, there's more on the horizon. Apple isn't stopping with iOS 18.3.1. iOS 18.4 is already in development and is expected to bring some exciting new features. This major update will enhance Siri with on-screen interaction capabilities, making it more intuitive than ever. Plus, it will introduce new emoji characters and allow users in the EU to set default map and translation apps, giving you more control over your device. Apple continues to prioritize your privacy and security with each update. They emphasize on-device data processing and use secure private cloud compute when necessary. With iOS 18.4, Apple promises even more privacy controls, especially with the integration of AI into Siri and its collaboration with OpenAI's ChatGPT. So iPhone users, stay tuned. Whether you're excited for the bug fixes and security patches in iOS 18.3.1 or looking forward to the new features in iOS 18.4, there's a lot to look forward to. Make sure to keep your device updated to enjoy all the benefits and keep it running smoothly. That's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.